we're going to look at a couple more strategies. So this time it's going to say to use guess and check. So it says Samantha has a total of Y marbles in 4 boxes. She puts 13 marbles in each box and has none left over. Her friends make various guesses. There are 48 marbles, 60 marbles, or 120 marbles. Were any of her friends correct? So let's think about it. If there were a total of 48 marbles, which was our guess by a friend, let's divide it amongst the 4 boxes. Well, that's going to be 12. It said we had 13 marbles, so that one won't work. If we take the 60 and divide by 4, that's going to be 15, which also doesn't work because she needs 13. 120, well, that's just going to be way too big, so you can already see that. You can actually divide it if you want to, but we already know that that won't work. It's too many. So this 48 was really close, and so nobody was correct. No one was correct. And so no one could guess correctly, but we know it's going to be something close to 48. And actually, if we take, I'm going to make another guess here, 52. But the way I came up with 52 was actually working through the problem. I was thinking that if there's 13 marbles in each box and there are 4 boxes, we can just multiply 13 times 4, and that would make us have 52. So we know that 52 would have to be the total. But again, just answering the question, none of the friends were correct. But often it's nice to make a little educated guess, and then you can actually try and work through it. For this last one, it says that we want to write an equation. Again, that's another strategy that's useful. So it says Matthew, his brother, and his mom bought a baseball ticket package. The package included seats, lunch, and a chance to get autographs from some players. The total cost for the 3 of them was $375. They each paid a $50 deposit. Write an equation that shows how much each of them still owes. So we know that the total is going to be $375. We also know that there were 3 people, there it says 3 of them, that were going to be paying for this. Now it says they each paid a $50 deposit. So if we think about it, the $375 is going to be paid for by 3 people. So 3 people are going to pay the $50 plus some more money. I'll call that X. So X is going to be the amount that they each still owe. And so we can say, okay, well, 375 then will equal, we could distribute 3 times 50, that's 150, so that was how much was already paid, and then 3 times whatever this new amount is that we're trying to find. So if I subtract 150 from both sides, we're going to get 225 equals 3x. We could divide by 3, and we get that x is equal to 75. So what that means is $75 is how much they each still have to pay.